Hi guys, what is up? How are y'all doing? Okay, I'm gonna show you what I got today. So, we'll go with the homemade fidgets first. I literally just made these two right now. I don't know. I made this here. I know it's like the worst fidget ever. And the next fidget is, I tried on this one. I really did. I really tried. Here you see it. 3, 2, 1. Okay. So that is the 2 home fidgets. The home fidget pile can be right behind my pot. And the new fidget pile can just be where it all is. So first we have, can you guess what it is by just the sound? I hope you could. I love these because they're like, at the end I need to tell you something. So the yes pile, the new actual fidgets are going in a new actual fidgets pile, right? Right here. Yeah, you probably thought I moved that. You know, I'm just going between my legs. Okay. And then we can go for... Okay, we'll go for this one. It is a wacky track. My favorite thing to do with it, I'm just going to show you it. So, I have 2 favorite things to do with it. Make it a movie seat. And also make it, I'm actually going to show you how to do this. I'm just going to make that out of between my legs. So I'm going to make this into, okay. I wish I could pause the video and then add to it after. But you can't. That's fine. That's fine. We're going to turn it into this. We're going to be turning it into this. And I'm going to show you how. Okay. I'm going to go on my knees for this. Okay, so you need to, wait. If you have it starting like this here, you should tie it up. Okay, I'm just going. There. Tie it up and then make it into a rectangle, like that. And then fold that side up and then hold it there. And then fold this side down. And then it should look like a wee arrow. And then still hold these here 2 sides and straighten out that edge and that edge. Make sure it's all still straight. And then, oh no. And then do that. Make like one corner there and then one corner there. And then do the same with the top. Like that. And try keep it as straight as you can. As you can see, I'm not doing too well. Okay. Okay, so it looks like this right now. I'm gonna just hold these, and then I'm gonna put that up. And you don't even, whenever you get these here too, down, then this here will just form itself sometimes. You might need to look straight at the top, but you'll figure it out. And then you fold up all the sides like that. Oh, I know I bent it. And if you bend it, then you need to do it again. You probably need to do this on a flat surface, but I'm going to try not to. So you need to go like that, and then that, and then that, and then that. And then it should look like that. So it'll be great. And then you can go like this, and then you can turn it around and go like. Everyone in our class is allowed to bring fidgets to school. So everybody does. Well, nearly all the girls do. Bring them to school. I have a pea popper, but it's in the car, or van, sorry. And I can't be bothered to get it. And then my favourite thing to do whenever I'm finished with doing that is to put it into like a wee box again. And then grab the corners and then just go like that. And then whenever I'm putting it away, I take it apart. I don't know why. Okay. So we've done this and the two homemade fidgets. Just gonna put these two. You know what? I'm actually not gonna put it, like, I'm gonna put it back together. Oh my god, it's so hard. There we go. Just gonna put it away in like a wee rectangle. A rectangle. Okay, infinity cube. It's not my favorite because it's so stiff right now. Oh, okay, so that is in this pile. We are going to do this next. Nice. I'm gonna like put one of my pencil case. I'm gonna take it out though, because whenever you pop it, it rattles. Why am I whispering? Okay, so I'm gonna do it bit bird. You know what? To pick which one I do first. It bit bird shit. I will pick you first. I'm going with this one first. It is a rainbow poppet. I mean, just get it to the loud side. So hard to pop it. Pop it though. Pop it. I think that's why it's called a poppet. I need a bigger brain. Okay. We have it on the noisy side. Now we're gonna pop it. I also had a TikTok where he's like, I'm not a boy, I'm not a girl, I'm a pterodactyl. Okay, last fidget. This is by far my favorite. Well, since my other one had a very, very tragic death. Okay, to be fair, I think this is this is the next fidget. And I also think it's the quiet side, so I'm confused. Sonic would be the quiet side. That's the quiet side, Dom. And if that was the quiet side, then what is the light side? That's so nice. Wait, how many things do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No, 6. I need to tell you about a very tragic story. It's 8 o'clock! That was not the tragic story. It was... I was playing with my DNA ball. And my brother came in. And he came over to me. And he took my DNA ball and then he poked it and it died. I had a name for that. He was Jeff. Jeff! Jeff! But why Jeff? Out of all of them, why Jeff? I knew Jeff was a silly boy. Jeff was my favourite. He gave me a rock though. I was like sitting like this here, and he was like in my hand, and then we were like this here. Right. And I was like rubbing him against my cheek, and I looked at my mother, and she's like, "Ellen, what's that in your face?" And I was like, "What do you mean?" Because I didn't feel it wasn't itchy or anything like that. And they looked, and there was a big red rash. Hey. Okay, if you watch me on YouTube, not that many of you will, but anyways, please, can you go onto my TikTok? I think it's Alan Sloan 10. You do not need to follow. I would like 1,000 because I want to go live, even though I'm going to be cringe, like I am right now. But anywho, let's not talk about that because that's just going to make the video cringy. I normally do these trend videos, and I'm going to do one right now, except sort of behind the scenes, if you know what I mean. Okay, so I'm going to take you. I swear, if my iPad turns off while I'm taking off the case. Okay. It's a miracle. It's a miracle. Okay. I'm not gonna include the homemade video. I mean, I'm not. Well, actually, no, I'm not. Okay. Yes, that is where I was making this here. Up there. It took me like an hour to make. I was clueless. Okay, so I'm like, what should I trade? Seeing as this is my favorite, it's gonna be legendary. Ultra rare. Rare because it doesn't always work. Common. It's so annoying whenever you firstly get it. Ultra rare. And legendary. Okay, I have another legendary puppet, but I don't have it right now. Okay. Take all these fidgets over here. Treating this really cool puppet. Going once, going twice, going 3 times. Anybody? Okay, so I would do that. And then I would like move everything away. And like, wait, no, actually I would have these like in like a basket, like out of the camera. And like all over the camera. Is that everything? No, there's one more thing. And then I would like put it over here. And I would go like, and then I would like unpause the video and I would go like, me. And then I would pause the video. I would bring this here back and I would say, okay, then what's your offer? Pause the video, put that back over there. And then I would say, okay, here's my offer. Pause the video, put in that, wait, that's a legendary. That's like my best legendary. That's an ultra rare. This is an ultra rare. And I'll add a common. And then, oh, whoopsie, sorry. And I would then unpause the video. Here I have a blue and green wacky track. This here, triple pulpit. I'll probably get carried away doing that. And here is this infinity cube. It's a common. This is an ultra rare, and this here is also an ultra rare. So please, can you accept? Pause the video. Move these out of the road. Bring this back, and then put this, that, and that over there. And then I would say, maybe after you add something else. Pause the video. Move that over there. And get these back. Oh, I put them way far away from me. And then I would unpause it and be like, fine. I am only doing this because that is like literally my dream. Pause the video. Get her last fidget. Let go. Oh, it's stuck on my finger. Here. Unpause the video. Here. This is literally all I'm giving you. Pause the video. Move everything back over there. Bring this. And then I would say, I would unpause the video. And then I'd say, okay then, no trade backs. Thank you, bye. Sorry, I have a lot of wind today. Okay, and then I'd push the video. I love you. Okay, I really look at this. There's only one thing. Then I'll pause the video. To do. Pause the video. Three words. Pause the video. gonna put that in, that in. I forget what I did. I think I put in that and then this. For you, I love you. So this is my first video over 19 minutes. So go me, get me. Oh my god, I'm bored. I'm glad I have YouTube now. My brother and my brother and dad are in. I'm gonna make this shit back up. Why am I whispering? Alan, God, tell me. Why? Oh no. Whispering. He's so rich.
Lily, Chester, come on.
And
Chester, come on.
I am recording a video. And I do not know how to trim, so you're going to be now in it. Can you stop staring at me? No, leave Lily in here. No, Enda! Oh, jeez. Yep. That's him. And, my brother. Weirdo! Weirdo alert. This particle of dot comes in. He comes in. Ooh! Somebody teach me how to bloody trim. First off, he doesn't want to be in my videos. Second of all, I don't know how to trim. Someone needs to tell me how to trim. Maybe I'll live in Maria will. Or live in Rhea. Rhea probably won't be in video. So yeah.
All the digestive biscuits go.
Mommy?
Pardon?
Mommy?
Huh?
No.
Alright.
Dad!
What?
What'd you get me?
Who took the tea?
Me? But Mommy asked me. Mommy asked me if I wanted anything. I didn't want to be mean and say no. You don't want to be anything. It's caramel. It's caramel. I have literally not had caramel in so long. I hope I still like it. Okay, let's taste it. Oh no. Okay, I'm gonna try in 3, 2, 1. Yummy. Right. Okay. I have a surprise for you. Right. I'm gonna skip the video a bit. About like 1 minute. Okay. I did not know my shoes were that close. Okay, but they were. Wow. Whoa. I'll go outside. I remember in one of my videos, I said I had a surprise for you all, and I still do. I just didn't get around to showing you. Don't mind that awful noise. Shush! What's the alarm to him? Okay. Oh, so I'm gonna show you one of my. Pets. I'm showing you all my pets. You ready to see? These are my pets. My little goody woodies. This big one is called Big Johnny. The little one's called Little Leaf. Hello. That one rams and that one also bites. So I'm gonna hope I don't die. Just trying to get in. Oh my god, I'm freezing. I'm gonna sit you there. Oh no. Here comes Little Leaf and Big Johnny. Why did I not bring my stick with me? I would have had some bloody protection. Get away. Go away. No, stop trying to ram me. Ugh. Big Johnny. Both of yous. What's wrong with you two? No. Hey, stop biting me. Oh shit, you're gonna try to jump up me. Jesus. Oh no. Okay, just let me in. I am trying, guys. You can skip to the part where I finally get in. If you can watch my videos. Hey, don't try to ram me. Okay, I'm in. Yeah, that does not mean you have to ram me. I will get my camera. iPad. Oh my god, what is wrong with you? I don't have my gloves today, so stop trying to eat me and ram me. Oh my gosh. Oh my goody gosh. Stop it, both of you. Please. I'm so sorry for whatever I've done. Sorry for whatever I did. Like Alan. Oh Jesus, what's that? Hey, don't leave me. Hey. Please stop. Ow! It's sore. Ow! Stop it. Hey, don't do that again. Ow! Stop it. What's wrong with you two? Oh. Reverse. Ow. Reverse, damn goat. I don't care what you said, right? Get over here. I don't care. But let me get your lead. Put in here. Okay. Holy shit! Holy mother friggin' sore from doing that. Right. Let go of that. Oh, my back's sore. Ooh. Oh, now you start eating. Okay. I am so sorry about that. It's just these bees. Right, you keep that leading you. So you don't try to kill me. Oh, jeez, I'm in a tree. I'm in a tree and he's already coming for me. I'm running. Okay. Here, I don't want to show you another animal of mine. It's a pretty small one. We're gonna go from the small to the big now. That's one. Hello, her name's Toffee. Oh, sugar lumps, they're coming for me. No, I'm sorry. I don't know what I did, Big Johnny. Can you forgive me? Oh, shit's up down around me. Oh my God, look at this. Come here, Lee. Ah, Jesus. You just ran me in the head. Oh, I got you. Can I tie you to something? Please. Ah! No, please stop. Stop trying to eat it. I'm gonna have to, I'm really gonna have to, tie you somewhere. Stop it. Keep walking. Oh, shit, not you two. You were the best one I had. Apart from Biddy. Oh, Biddy was a great goat. Oh, God. Why are you bullying me? Okay, hi, honestly. Do you not have a frigging clue what I done? Whatever I did, would you just come out? Get out. Don't ask me why I'm using the pink lead, because I don't know where the blue one is. Right, get out here. Got a time to this. Oh, sugar. Lumpies. There. I'm going to be taking him back off. Don't worry. Okay, there. He's not going anywhere too quick, I don't think. Before he starts breaking it. Oh my God, I'm sorry for tying up your boyfriend. Okay, so we were looking at this little baby. She bites. We have another wee baby. This one. She really did bite me though. It's right there, my middle finger. Right there. She went right through my finger. Not that one. I named her Nibbles. Would you believe it? Right, we're on to the next ones. Hello, little leaf. Hello, big goof. I don't like you anymore. I'm sorry. But it's the truth. Okay, so then we have these wee... Oh, I didn't know I could come in. Okay, so then we have these wee gits. So that one's Wabbit. Okay. That there wee black one's Miracle. And that big mama is called Thumper. Oh, Jesus Christ. What the heck are you doing? You're literally going to strangle yourself. Stop trying to eat it. And that's them. And then time for the big wee git. Hiya! Oh shit, I'm gonna slip. Hi, I'm sorry, BB. You're not my baby anymore. Okay, this is the big git. You ready to see the big git now? The big git in 3, 2, 1. Hey, you over there, stop digging. Okay, you ready to see the big git in 3, 2. Jesus, I'm sorry. Hey. Oh, really, you big lazy baloofa? Right, gonna see the big git. Oh, please stop it. We're gonna see the big git in 3, 2, 1. Woo! Oreo! Come on! We're gonna be a lazy git now. Come on over, baby. Oh, hello, baby. Oh, you a good boy. Come to mommy. Oh, mommy's here. Look. Ow, get off me. Look at this. Oreo. 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 Come here. Are you camera shy? Oh, you can. Do you want to see yourself? Look, Oreo. 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 Look, you can see yourself. Yeah. All right, rejected yourself. That's you. That's you, baby. That's you. Yeah? That's your nose. Ew, you licked my screen. What is the point of doing that? Why would you lick it? Why the lick, though? Mm. Oh, no, we don't lick. We don't lick. No, we don't lick. We don't lick, honey. He has fleas or lice or something like that. We haven't really figured it out yet, but you're a good boy. Yeah, man, yeah. What are you doing? Right, Alan. Right, I'm gonna set you guys up. Well, not really, because like, I need to sit you down, so I can't really set you up. So I'm like, 3. Just so I can get this big belly full. Oh, I'm dying! You really don't like me, do you? Right, Alan, just jump. I'm alive! Oh, I really just jump over that there, though. Oh, I'm sore. Well, we're out. So we gooch. You know, just to finish it. I forgot one animal. Little Lyra BB. And just to make it perfect, actually. Oh, you can see we're in the background. Look at that wee BB. A boop. I poke your butt. Okay. It's ground in there. I'm going to use ground, isn't it? See? Okay. I'm a savage. Classy, bougie, wretched, sassy, moody, nasty. Hacking store. What was happening? Ambitions. I cannot believe that video was 45 minutes long, Lyra. I can't believe it. Oh, you wee kitty pie. How do you know where the camera is? Oh, you wee kitty pie. Oh, yeah. I'm allergic to cats, so I can't actually touch her. She's going to have to scooch back, hum bum. So, I can't get up. I don't know how to get down. Okay, bye guys.